Hello everyone, let's create this cool halftone portrait effect in Photoshop. We will start by creating a solid color layer. Choose a mid-gray tone here and hit OK. Now go to Filter and click on Filter Gallery. Click on this option here. Select the halftone pattern here and match the numbers with mine. Now click on this plus icon to add another style. Here select the Torn Edges option. Match all the numbers with mine. You can make adjustments as per your liking. Once done, hit OK. Change the blend mode to hard mix. Now go to Filters, Distort, Twirl. Here select the twirl position as per your liking. Hit OK. Boom. Let's see the result. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.